Terms and conditions, also known as terms of service and terms of use, are agreements that act as legal contracts between your business's website or app and the users who access it. How do you create terms and conditions? Some businesses choose to seek out a lawyer or write one themselves, but over 300,000 global customers have chosen Termly's affordable and easy-to-use terms and conditions generator. Our Terms of Service generator can help you easily create a comprehensive agreement for your website, e-commerce site, mobile app, and SaaS platform. Here's how it works. Simply visit Termly.io and sign up for a free account. Click on Terms of Service Generator and answer a few simple questions. From there, Termly generates a robust agreement that is unique to your business. With a few simple steps, you can publish to your website and change your policy at any time. With a Pro Plus account, you can also gain access to multiple policies and hosted solutions that include automatic updates. Build trust with your customers by providing comprehensive terms and conditions, and take the first step towards protecting your business today.